As we change agronomy and change the way that we're growing crops in the UK, particularly as we see more of an adoption of conservation ag, regenerative ag approaches, rotationally in terms of cultivation changes, one of the things that we're going to see is the emergence of different weeds which are adapted more to those systems. And to try and get a little bit ahead of those changes, we've already started to look at a few species that we know are very much associated with conservation agriculture. So one of which is this Vulpia, which is also known as rat's tail fescue. So this is very much a weed which is really very common in natural and semi-natural habitats, but very invasive of arable fields with less cultivation intensity. So we're seeing more and more examples of this as a significant arable weed. We're just growing some plants up here that we've sampled out of the field. We're doing some baseline herbicide sensitivity work. And then the other group of weeds that we see associated with conservation agriculture in particular are these umbelliferæ. And in particular, this one, which is called burr chervil, which is Anthriscus caucalis. There's a whole group of these very closely related species which are often misidentified. We've got shepherd's needle here, wild carrot, and then this burr chervil. You can see when you put them all together, they're quite distinctive. We really want people to understand and identify these different weeds. So as they perhaps see them in their arable crops for the first time, they can understand the nature of the threat. And again, we're just doing a little bit of work on baseline herbicide sensitivity to try and understand, if you like, the starting point in terms of herbicide resistance in these weeds.